Hey everyone, it's Ryan Cote and Matt Cote from Valentine here with the marketing. It's hard to get this. Think about something sad. Hi everyone. Hey everyone, it's Ryan Cote and Matt Cote from Valentine here with another Marketing Minute video. My update today is going to be about Google My Business. That's Google's local directory. It feeds Google Maps, and they've been investing in it and improving it a lot lately. And one of their more recent updates to it, improvements, is now you can add a description of your company to Google My Business. And so it's just another opportunity for you to add information about your company, potentially add some keywords in there, and just improve your profile overall. Another update they did, and this isn't recent, but you can do posts now on Google My Business. So if you've got an update, maybe you're a retail store, you've got updates, you can add a post to it, and then that post will often show in your My Business feed when something Googles your name. So that is my update.
All right, my update is, I had a project recently this week where the client requested a certain type of ink, some Pantone color that was a metallic Pantone color. And we're printing the actual project on a offset stock, and sometimes the metallics don't really show up. They don't get their shimmer and shine on the actual metallic stock on offset. So one thing you can do is you can ask your printer, whoever the partner is, to do an ink drawdown on many different substrates. So offset, a dull stock, and maybe a gloss stock, so that way you can give your client the opportunity to see what the PMS color is going to look like on press without having to go on press. So that's my tip for today.
Great. So that's it with our video today, and we want to hear from you. If there's anything, any tips or updates you want us to cover, just reach out. Thanks for watching. Investing and improving Google My Business a lot often. What is going on? What is going on? Google's local